Accurate image classification is at the core of many AI-powered applications. Detecting and recognizing multiple digits within a single image requires advanced computer vision models capable of delivering high accuracy. Traditional image classification models often struggle with multi-label digit recognition, especially when multiple digits appear together in varying positions, sizes, or image conditions. This can reduce prediction accuracy and increase processing time.
Like.
To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed a custom convolutional neural network, CNN, designed specifically for multi-label digit classification, enabling accurate recognition of multiple digits from a single image. The platform preprocesses input images, extracts visual features using a custom CNN architecture, identifies multiple digits simultaneously, and generates accurate classification results through an optimized deep learning pipeline. Key features include custom CNN architecture, multi-label digit classification, AI-powered image recognition, advanced feature extraction, high accuracy predictions, scalable deep learning pipeline. The solution improves classification accuracy, reduces manual processing, accelerates image analysis, and enables reliable digit recognition for real-world AI applications.